How to set custom alarm sound on iPhone. Let's dive into the tutorial. Firstly, start with opening the clock app on your mobile device. Then simply tap on the alarm option available in the bottom, and inside alarm all you have to do is tap on the plus icon available in the top right corner of your screen. After you tap on it, you will get to see sound option available there. Tap on the sound and now tap on the pick a song option available there. So all you have to do is find or create the audio you would like to use as your alarm and save it on your iPhone. After that, you can easily choose that song and keep it as an alarm. If you want to create a custom alarm sound directly on your iPhone, you can also use GarageBand to make and save it as a ringtone. Or songs from Apple Music cannot be used as alarm sounds due to DRM restrictions. You will need an audio file in the proper format. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.